The Press Information Bureau Government of India, in association with the Shillong Press Club, today the 19th of March 2022, organized Vartala Media Workshop on the theme Let's Talk Budget 2022. The chief guest of the program is Shri C. Songit, GST Commissioner, Shillong. The resource person of the program are Professor Neelam Rani, Assistant Professor Financial IIM, Shillong, and Dr. Darishisha Warthankyu, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, Northeastern Hill University. The program started with the lighting of the lamp by the dignitaries, followed with a welcome address by Sri Gopajit Das, Media and Communication Officer, PIB Shillong, then an overview of GST and a brief presentation on the recent changes by Sri Debashish Modak and Srimati Jenny Karlining, then followed by the speech from the chief guest and the budget presentation 2022 by the two resource persons. The program was participated by journalists from both electronic and print media.
That means if you have to achieve a larger objective, you need to have the clarity of the objective, number one. Number two, you need to have the eligibility of the doer, whether the doer has the requisite know-how or not. Third thing which you need to have is availability of the resources and flexibility in strategy and the good time that is having all the forces which are beyond control under its control. And what else can define the present budget 2022, which has tried to focus on all these points which have been mentioned from time to time to achieve the larger objective. The budget highlights of the present budget is when I say the clarity of objective, the budget is very clear in its efforts to prioritize big ideas for the transformational change, putting citizens at the forefront of policy making. We have the government of the people, by the people, for the people, and this budget translates these three aspects, three dimensions of our unique democratic structure within the policies.
This is also the need of the hour. It shows how much the government is sincere in investing in our future, that is the youth. And in fact, 7% of the total budget has been allocated for the development of the youth. Of course, it would have been better if we have more investment in the youth. But anyway, it's a very good initiative by the state government. And then we also have the Sustainable Development Goals budgeting. This is very important given the fact that the baseline report of the Northeastern Region District SDG Index 2021-22, it doesn't paint a very good picture of the status of our districts. Only one district, that is the East Khasi Hill, earned the status of a performer and has been placed in the rank of in the 57th rank out of 100 plus districts in Northeast. So it is very obvious that we need a big push in this aspect.